Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm Linda with LG Queen Home Decor. In today's video, I'll be unboxing and organizing a small French door refrigerator for our bedroom theater room, as well as giving our kitchen refrigerator a good deep clean and restock. If you need ideas, inspiration, and motivation to help you organize and tidy up your refrigerator, then this video is for you. Thank you to all of my supporters tuning in today, as well as those who are new here. As part of being here today, I'll be awarding one winner $100 to help you get started on organizing your very own space. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, give this video a like, comment below, and share this video with someone who could use some inspiration. Thank you to Factor for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get started. As I'm cleaning out this refrigerator and getting ready to begin restocking and organizing the inside, I think we can all agree that the majority of us don't want to cook or have the time to cook every single day. We all have busy lives, and finding the time to cook 3 meals in a day, wash all of the dishes, go shopping again, or even eat at the same fast food restaurants that offer no value can take a toll on us. On days I don't have the chance to cook a full meal and I want to ensure I stay on track with my wellness goals, I found something that has helped me tremendously and want to share how this can help you all in the same way. Today's video sponsor is Factor, and if you didn't know, they're a team of gourmet chefs who prep and cook fresh, never frozen, dietitian-approved meals that are delivered right to your doorstep. During the delivery process, all of my meals came packaged and insulated to keep it all cold. Since all of these meals have never been frozen, when I need a Factor meal, I can conveniently cook them in the microwave in just 2 minutes and I'm ready to get back to work or go about my day. There are no refined seed oils, no refined sugars, just real food. Here I have several meals from Factor to serve my family and myself, such as the lemon pepper chicken breast, and one of my favorites, the sesame teriyaki filet mignon with rice, ginger, cabbage, mushrooms, and roasted broccolini. This right here is a filet mignon that I didn't even have to grill or go to a steakhouse to get. All of these meals look as if I spent hours in the kitchen preparing them, and they help support our gut health as they're rich in fiber. All the work has already been done and portion control is made easy, as each meal ranges from 350 to 550 calories per serving. Things get even more exciting every week when I go to pick what meals I want to be delivered. I don't have to guess at what diet options I'll be getting, as Factor streamlines everything out easily to choose from. Whatever goal I have in mind, whether that be to eat meals that are keto, calorie smart, protein rich, vegan, and veggie, there's a variety to meet my goals. They also offer 2 times more seafood meals than before, with more premium seafood options including salmon, shrimp, and barramundi at no additional cost. What makes things even more convenient is that Factor is including a new meal customization option that allows you to select proteins to be swapped out. If you love chicken but dislike pork chops, you can swap at no extra charge. These are just some of the many benefits and amazing options that Factor offers, including additional favorites such as cold pressed juices, smoothies, snacks, and breakfast. As part of tuning in today, Factor is offering my viewers an incredible opportunity to take the guesswork out of clean eating. If you head to factor75.com or click the link below in my description box and use the code LGQueenFB50, new customers can get 50% off plus free breakfast for 1 year. That's code LGQueenFB50 at factor75.com to get 50% off plus free breakfast for 1 year. Thank you, Factor, for providing such an amazing, convenient way for everyone to have delicious and nutritious chef-prepared meals based on our unique situation. Now let's get back to organizing. I want to thank everyone who joined me today and stayed until the end. My goal was to help give you ideas and inspiration on how to restock your very own refrigerator. I'd love to hear what section was your favorite part. Make sure to be subscribed with notifications on so you don't miss my next video. I look forward to talking to you all in my next video. Take care.